Ladies and gentlemen, we have the 2025 Segway UT10 Premium model, and this is the Crew, and Mr. Harmon here is going to show us how to install a blinker kit on it. Now, if you have a previous Crew cab model, you can follow this same procedure. This is the first 2025 model that we've assembled together here at the shop, and now we're going to install the turn signal kit, and we're going to install a windshield from teammscparts.com, and we're going to install some mirrors as well. And of course, you can get all this stuff for your Segway at teammscparts.com. Also, you can get a Segway right here at Main Street Cycle, and we'd love to see you come here and let us help you get a new unit. Mr. Harmon, you're taking the hood off, huh? Pop it up. Got two rubber grommets, and what do y'all think of this tan color? It's a little different than what I'm used to, but I mean, it's tan. It's just a different shade of tan. But that's new for 2025 from Segway. Remember, this one comes just as you see it. The premium model comes with these doors, the nice wheels, 30-inch tires, screen, all kinds of little goodies. I'll have a link down the description of this video of this blinker kit, and you can just purchase it and then get it shipped to your door and then follow along with this install. All right.
Kaboom. It's gonna be a big old whack.
So that plug is just underneath the hood here, and
it's usually just right down in this area.
Just below there. You'll see it kind of stowed away there from the factory. I don't know why these don't just come with the blinkers already hooked up. But anyways, so you're looking for this plug here. He took the blank cover off, and we're going to be hooking up to it with the blinker relay, right?
Well, blinker box relay.
Blinker box, yeah.
And it just
snaps in.
Let's see.
Oh, and these tabs are already there.
Yeah, I don't know why it don't come back here.
Well, there's no side-by-sides in the U.S. market that has blinkers from the factory, but it would be nice if they did. I think what it is if they put blinkers, it puts it in some weird classification. It's no longer just an off-road machine, and then the manufacturers have to then follow all kinds of other regulations. So that's actually the truth. That's why they don't do it, but they do make it easy for you to add them yourself. So yeah, there's always a way around it. So that was the easy part. We hooked up this connector here. Again, that was located just underneath here, and Harmon used I'm sorry. Well, I mean, the people can get a coat hanger and do it. After that step, Mr. Harmon, what is next on the blinker kit?
Well, you can do one of two things. You can go ahead and put the switch in.
Yeah.
Or the hazard light.
Hazard lights,
switch.
Okay. So either way, you can do the hazard light switch, okay, he's going to do that. He's got his body panel clip remover tool. I'll work that up. Always easier to do when those are clean and fresh.
Put another one in here.
So we're going to do that on the other side.
Then just
pull boom, pop it up. So you want to pop out, pick where you want your hazard light switch to go, and you can pop that out just like Mr. Harmon did, and then feed your wire through, and you just pop it in place. It's really easy to do, no special tools needed. And then you're going to look for the one and only plug back here that this will match up to, and then just hook it up. So it's not like it's confusing on, there's several options. It's only one option that's going to match up to. And then once you hook that up, then you can put your screen right back in place. It just pops in the bottom first, and it'll sit flush.
You got two hooks on each side, 4 hooks.
Okay.
And then you just line them up.
Yeah. Push it in and
push
then
it down. And then we'll put our 2 clips back.
Booyah. Got our last body panel clip out, and you got a Phillips head.
Phillips head.
What do we need that for?
We're going to remove the
Okay, remove the
Light
factory
switch.
light switch.
Just let it hang
Okay.
right there.
So if you have a 24 model up to this point, you have been able to just pop those body panel clips off and follow every step up to this point and get the dash pulled back further.
A little further,
But
they've got it bolted here now.
yeah, that's an extra step there
it
to
gives
get
me-
bolted there, and you
Don't
don't
give
have
me
as much
much room.
room, and I can't really show you.
But
Yeah.
so got to reach way in there to get to that. Reach your hand in there, mash this button,
Right.
and pop the
Unplug
old one
that.
out. This is the old one.
It's,
It don't have turn signal.
right.
This one.
This is the new one
We
with
got
the turn signal. Plug it back up to the same plug.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. So we're gonna go in here.
So fish it back through. Now that we've got this 25 model, and you could probably do this with the 24 model as well, instead of having to take all that off on the dash, just reach back in through
Well,
the.
I'm gonna tell you on this one, you still have to pull that dash off because it's got a like a push-in
Oh, okay.
grommet, like
Yeah.
zip tied, and it'll be to the bar back here right next to the steering column.
Okay.
So you'll have to pull this.
Still
back
have to pull it back to get
like
to
pull
it.
that out, or I just use a screwdriver, reach in there and pop
Just
it.
pop that out.
and
Hold on, let me
It'll break
focus
that
it.
off and
Yeah.
get that
Okay.
out of there.
Okay.
So, all right. So right now we're just going to.
So yeah, the only step that was kind of off in the flow of this video was just don't put your screen back on until you're completely done. And that way you can reach in here and get to that white plug right back up in there. Armin's putting the screws back in place to mount the new light switch with blinkers.
And it sent new screws. We're just gonna use the old ones, same screws.
Same screws, and this is a brand new unit, so ain't like the screws are damaged or anything. And then we'll plug her up back here. I'm gonna just
this
fish
in.
that plug through there, and then he's gonna reach in there and grab the plug
This
we
in.
gotta plug
See
up
there?
to. Yep.
And then we'll.
Beautiful. Make sure she clicks in,
Yep.
and then we'll put our screen back on.
Shove it back in there.
Yeah, make sure your
Off the gear
cables
shifter,
aren't. Yeah, that's right. Get everything out of the way of the gear shifter.
Cause you do have an arm here going up and down in there.
Yeah.
Up here. I'll tell you what we'll do. We can go ahead and.
Just
We just
verify
got a bunch of
everything's
push
good.
clips to put back
Yeah.
now. Turn
Go
the
ahead.
key on
Make sure it works right.
and let it all do what it's doing here. With this one, see on the dash we've already got blinking here,
Yep.
blinking over here, and I can see it blinking up there,
Oh, that's nice.
and blinking over here,
Yep.
and then I'm
Give me hazards.
hazard,
Yep.
hazards, and then we got them in the rear too.
Sweet.
Already.
Let's go check. Yep. They're blinking. Give me a left blinker. There it is. Give me a right blinker. There it is. All right. So now we can just bolt everything back up or put those push clips back in, and this part of the job is done.
Put the push clips in, put the hood back on,
Yep.
and
Then we'll throw these mirrors on and our Team MSC windshield, and this customer's Segway is going to be ready to go. So yeah, guys, leave a comment down in the comment section what you think about it. Before I close the video out, I do want you to see it with the mirrors and the windshield on, because I don't know why it makes such a big difference in the looks, but it does. Just gives it a more complete look. And I mean, it's always nice to have a windshield and some mirrors when you're out on the trails. So anyways, let's do that now. And we're done, guys. That is the Segway UT10 Premium model. This is 2025, and all we've done is we've added some mirrors. We had the Team MSC vented windshield, and we've got the blinker kit on, and that's working nicely. And this machine is ready to go to its new home. And guys, if you would like a new Segway, you can come to Main Street Cycle in Tishomingo, Mississippi. It's actually 1295 Main Street Cycle in Tishomingo, Mississippi. Also, guys, you can call us at 662-438-6407. And also you can just simply text us as well if you're interested in a Segway or CF Moto or any machine, because we have a lot of new and used ATVs, side-by-sides, and motorcycles in stock. But yeah, guys, that's going to do it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber, because we got a lot of cool stuff coming your way. And that's going to do it. Appreciate you. See you in the next one.